Hello, in front of me I have got Jabra Evolve 265. In this video I'll show you buttons control. In the beginning make sure that your headset is connected with the app, and now go to app. Enter Discover, Quick Start Guide, and now press on plus to learn about your headset. For example, right here we've got the voice button, thanks to which we can mute-unmute the microphone and activate the voice assistant. Right here we've got place pause button and volume up and volume down button. Also, you can skip to next track, restart track, go to previous track, and press the volume up and volume down button at the same time to turn off the busy light on or off. Here we've got multifunction button, thanks to which we can answer the calls, end calls and reject calls. In the end, right here we've got the switch, thanks to which we can enable pairing mode, turn headset on and off, and charge our headphones. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.